Hey guys, my little guy and I are going to show you how to make easy and delicious pumpkin pie dump cake. Hey guys, today we're going to be making
pumpkin pie
dump cake. And it's kind of like a cross between pumpkin pie and a pumpkin cobbler. And it tastes so good with some vanilla ice cream. And this is my new favorite pumpkin recipe for this fall.
Let's get started.
You heard him. Let's get started, guys. So Bradley and I are gonna show you how incredibly easy it is to make, right? Okay, you wanna start off with a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, and you wanna make sure it's pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling. So, and you wanna get a large mixing bowl. And we're just gonna open up. All right. Want to smell?
Ah!
You don't like, he doesn't like the smell of it, but it tastes really good, right?
No.
No, it's gonna taste good, watch.
Yes.
All right. Let's pour it in here.
That tastes like a pumpkin pie.
Mm-hmm. Well, it doesn't taste good by itself, but once we bake up everything together, it's gonna taste amazing.
We're done. Mix it. Mix it.
Now that's in. Now we're gonna mix in a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Oops.
Mommy made a mess.
You made a mess.
Yeah, we'll just set this aside. Wanna pour it in?
Yes.
Okay, here. Got it.
Yes.
Yay!
Now let's mix it.
Oh wait, gotta get all the other ingredients in. Now we have 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and pour that in.
Wait.
Pour it, hold it. There you go. All the way in. There you go.
Yes.
And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
So now.
Yeah.
Now mix it.
Oh, we need to get the eggs in first and then we can mix. So mommy will do the eggs because it can get messy.
Okay.
So we got 1, can you count?
Yes.
How many is that?
1.
And then
I do want
2.
I want to do 2.
And
I want to do 2.
it's gonna get messy, are you sure? Mommy will do this part. 3.
Yes!
All right, go ahead and mix. Say mix everything until it's well combined.
Mix everything, it's well combined. Mmm, that's yummy.
Smells yummy now, right?
Yeah.
Because the cinnamon smells so good. All right, so Bradley's doing such an amazing job mixing, and we're gonna transfer it to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. So I'm gonna grab it here and just
Dump it.
basically dump it, right? Pumpkin dump cake.
Yes.
All right. So the batter is very liquidy,
I want to do it with the spoon. I want to do it
but it'll set up once we bake it.
with the pie.
Now we're gonna sprinkle over a package of spice cake mix. And you can also use yellow cake mix if you prefer.
I want to do it.
You wanna sprinkle it? Okay, hold on. You gotta do it very carefully. Let's open it up first.
Let's open it first.
Okay, like sprinkle it very carefully all over the top. Oh gosh. Yep, there you go. And we're sprinkling. So I've sprinkled everything all evenly over the batter. So now we have 1.5 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna slice it up and just kind of lay it over the cake mix. Wanna help me do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you wanna slice it like nice and thin, see?
Oh, yeah?
And then just put it over there. Just make it in rows, okay?
Okay.
Right? Oops. Doesn't have to be perfect.
I want to do it nice.
It's gonna be all melted at the
I want to do
end.
it nice too.
Oh gosh, this is not as cold, so it's not slicing
I want to do it nice.
as nice as I would want it to.
I want to do it nice.
It helps to have your butter really cold. Okay, here.
Here,
You can place it on there. You place the butter on there. Did you eat the butter?
Yeah.
Do you love butter?
Yeah.
Tell them how much you love butter. That much?
Yeah.
What do you like to eat butter with?
Cake.
Butter with, oh, don't push it down, don't push, just let it lay. Cake? What else do you like to eat butter with?
Peanut butter sandwich with
That's a different kind of butter. That's peanut butter.
peanut butter.
What do you eat it with in the morning?
With breakfast?
Yes, on top of your toast, right?
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
Yeah.
I normally do this in rows, but since Bradley is helping me, we're kind of just all over the place. We did it, high five. Now it's time to go in the oven.
It's time to go in the oven.
We are ready to transfer this pumpkin dump cake into the oven. As you can see, it does not need to look perfect going in, but it's gonna be perfectly tasty when it's done. I have my oven heated to 350 degrees and we're gonna bake it for an hour. The best way to serve it is when it's warm and you have some vanilla ice cream kind of melting on top. If you're planning on serving this while you're entertaining at home, you could pop it in the oven while your guests arrive and are having dinner. By the time they're done, this delicious dessert will be waiting for you and ready to be served. Okay, so our pumpkin dump cake has cooled for about 15 minutes and you really want to enjoy it with some vanilla ice cream, but I woke up this morning and realized my freezer completely gave out, so our ice cream is kind of liquidy, so we can't have that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this batch to my parents' house where they have some vanilla ice cream and enjoy it there. But for now, to improvise, I ran to the store and I got some whipped cream, so we're gonna have it right now with some whipped cream, right? Perfect. All right, Bradley, are you excited to try it out? And the crust here is, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's crispy. Okay, let's get a slice of this. Oh!
Yes.
He's not sick, he has allergies. It's okay. This batch is for us anyways, right? Okay. All right.
Time for this.
All right, time for the whipped cream. Ooh.
Ew.
You get.
Yummy. Whipped cream is yummy.
Okay, cheers. You guys, you have to try this out. Forget picking up that pumpkin pie at the store. Give this a try. It's like what, a few ingredients, dump it all together. You saw Bradley do it, and it's so good. Your family or your friends are gonna be impressed. But try it with the vanilla ice cream.
Like and subscribe, everyone.
Bradley says like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.